Ooh, welcome in, welcome back, guys. Y'all see I'm at my second parts home. Okay, Northern. All right, now I'm aware. By the way, did y'all see that sign? Today's Sunday, guys. This place closed at 6. Oh, well, y'all don't know what time it is. So I got like 20 minutes maybe. I'm aware, or I had just been informed, my buddy, Uncle Mark, I think he's out there in Canada. There's no Northern. There's no Harbor Freight out there. I don't know how you guys do it out there. Okay? I don't know what I would do if there was no Harbor Freight or no Northern. And guys, I said this before in that last video. I'm a professional mechanic. Technician, guys. Sorry, technician. At least I want to think I am. Now, you got people, controversial people out there like, what's his name? What's my buddy's name? Oh my goodness, I can't think of his name. I guess he don't believe in Harbor Freights and the two. He believe in the tool truck. Jack Johnson. Jack. What's his last name? Jack. Y'all know Jack. Know who he is. Jack, controversial boy. Jack is one controversial guy. Jack said you need some good tools. That's true. No, it's not that Jack. It's not that I was comparing Harbor Freights to Snap-on or anything like that. I was just saying to the newbies. If you want to get started in this game, don't break the bank on a tool truck. Go to such stores as Harbor Freight or here, Northern. Okay, but Jack a trip. Love Jack. Love when Jack comments. It makes you think, man. He makes you think. But what I'm in here for? I needed I don't think it's in this area. And quite frankly, guys, who's that? My other buddy. He say he loves stores like Harbor Freight. Mike. Was that his name? Mike. Man, Mike, I'm with you, dog. I can just come in these stores. I have no intention of getting nothing, especially on you got some free time on like a Sunday or something, and you out and about, and you pass one by and you see that store, you go, oh, Harbor Freight or Northern, and you quickly make a U-turn. Now, mind you, no intentions on getting nothing, but at Harbor Freight, I needed some that extension, that pry bar set that I got. But here, I just was driving by and figured I'd stop by, not far from the house. In fact, I just left the gym, ended up at a buffet place to eat. Now, time to quench my toothache. Is that what you want to call it? See, now I would never brag on none of these little cheap tools, but they exactly what they are. Look, this place ain't got no competition with Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight got the bigger toolbox, and I don't think Harbor Freight toolbox was this expensive. Quality wise, I don't know. It feels flimsy, but again, guys, beginner mechanic, go for it. All right, I said I didn't come in here for something, but as usual, if I see something I want or need, look at that, guys. That test light I got, this is a more rinky-dink test light. And the one I just got from Harbor Freight, Harbor Freight was $1.99. This is $5. Northern, y'all gonna have to do better. You got to meet or beat the competition price. This is all beginner stuff, guys. That will do you well. In fact, you will find some of this in my toolbox. Now, I did have to go pro on this. Jack Journal, that's his name, Jack Journals. I did have to go pro on this, guys. These will expand. You put these on a nice tight O2 sensor. In fact, I was on a tool truck and got one of these. I need to edit that footage. I had my camera rolling too well. He got me one. He got me a set, Mako, I think it was. Yeah, these jokers, man. Some of the cars, the O2 sensor's been on there forever. Ain't thinking about coming off. Even this one, this is no different than. Think about this, guys. They try to play mind games on you. Now this $22. This is no different than this with a ratchet wrench built like this. If you already got a ratchet wrench like this, and you already got one of these, like why own this? I don't know. It's a math game, guys. Math. All right. This sucker here look like it's gonna expand. Well, that's oil pressure. But yeah, Jack Journals. No, none of this is for the pros. Okay. Although, like I said, you will find some in my toolbox. See, stuff like this doesn't have to be pro. Like I got U.S. General from Harbor Freight. I got my tray is like this. It's pretty. That's $219. They're going to have to come down. They're going to compete with Harbor Freight. They're going to have to get it together. That's too much. All right, but I saw a jump box over here. Now, this is the kind of jump box I got, guys. DSR. Oh, wow. $234. Yeah, you're not going to get this the same as you would off online or Amazon or a tube truck for that matter. But it's all about convenience with these stores. If you need one now, simply come in here and grab you one now. What's the difference between that one and this one? I don't know. But I got a DSR. Mine's still holding up. And guys, let me tell you something. I thought I lost mine. I left it in a customer car. And my dumb butt went and hopped on Amazon, ordered another one, just to find out 2 days later mine was in my other car. My PT Cruise, I want to say. Oh, so I'm setting up with and you know what? I'm coming up on 40K subscribers. So I might just hang on to that and run that in the raffle. It's still brand new, guys, in the box. In the box, brand new. I might hang on to that. I'm closing in on 40K, guys. Y'all know how I like to put back into the channel when I reach another milestone. Well, 40K is right around the corner, so I might just hang on to that and do it. Now, I will, however. But see, this is the thing. This is the problem I have with that. Like, if somebody wins something or free something, they shouldn't have to pay nothing, right? So that jump box is extremely heavy. So shipping and handling, it's going to kill you. Yeah, I'm against making somebody pay shipping and handling when they won something for free. So I don't know. I might bite the bullet, guys. Like I say, I tend to take some of the revenue stream that the channel is earning, which is because of you guys. So, yeah, I might as well. I bite the bullet on that, guys. So that's what I do. I hang on to it. I already have one, so it's not like I need it. I was already over here, right? Right. Now this place, they must have a contract with Milwaukee, because they got every last Milwaukee 2 known to man. And you just can't stock. Like, I thought Home Depot was the king of Milwaukee, but no. Northern must got, so it's a big, and you know what's weird? Home Depot right down the street. So it's a big competition between Northern and look at that whole aisle dedicated to Milwaukee. Who's going to win that war, guys? It's all about competition at that point. Who can deliver the lowest price? You know, when you keep dropping the price significantly, all that does is take away from your profit margin. So you got to be careful with lowering the profits. Guys, I'm going to tell you something, and I got to go. This is the last point. These wrenches right here, I have the mountain version. Oh my God. I don't know what we was doing without these guys. These wrenches have saved my butt. This is the best setup. This is the best almost $200 I done spent in a long time. $300 I want to say. Because I got the whole set. But mine's a mountain. This is clutch. They all lifetime warranty, so however you look at it. But best money I ever spent. Alright guys, I gotta go. I can't hang around long. They about to close and shut me down, so Jack, be nice, man. Jack Journal, be nice. And Mark, Uncle Mark, sorry, man. Canada, sorry. You gotta talk to your governor or something, see if they can get y'all a Northern and a Harbor Freights in that place. All right, guys, I gotta go. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next video.